What's up guys, Pog here, and today I will be getting some winter tires on our 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. When it comes to ordering your Tesla Model Y Performance, there's like 5 things you look at. The first one is the easiest to notice, and that is having these 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. The second one is having the tires that it comes with, the Michelin Pilot Sport. The third one is this very nice carbon fiber spoiler. Then you have this underline underneath the dual motor, and of course you get these beautiful red calipers on the Performance that you do not get on the long range. And it is all done. As you guys can see, we've got the replica wheels on the car. I have ordered some Tesla center caps so we can put Tesla logos right here. Got the Replika R5 tires on it, so let's get home. Something really nice with these wheels is that it has like 2 center caps. Let me just try to get this out. So there's this big one which covers the lug nuts, and then there's one right here in the middle so we can put the Tesla logo center cap. I ended up ordering the regular Tesla center caps off of Amazon, and we're gonna take this centerpiece out. So this right here in the middle. I got the side started and then we just push it in just like that, and then look how nice it looks. So there's the Tesla center cap inside of this one. It's nice that this R263 replica wheels come with this dual center cap, so you can still replace this middle one. Got all of the center caps installed. Let's put this bigger center cap on the wheel itself now. And welcome to summer. So right now it's August. So let's take a look at the tires and wheels. So here's the gray Model Y Performance tires. And in the beginning of the video, of course, I mentioned about the differences are especially noticeable on the brake calipers and also the wheels that you get on the Performance one. So we wanted to downsize the size of the tire, especially because of the snow and icy conditions. Like look at this, for example. This is again the 19-inch wheel, identical to this one. This is for the red Model Y Performance. And in the winter time, slide and hit a curb, as you guys can see. So imagine when you have those 21-inch wheels, you're gonna be in much worse condition. So there's also a Tesla center cap. We got a red one to match with the red Model Y Performance. And then of course, here's the one we installed in this video. If you look at the tires, they're actually different. This one here is the Nokian R3 tires, whereas the one we put up on the gray Model Y is the Nokian R5 winter tire. Gotta say, the R5 tires were great. I actually have a set for the Model X as well. They have been great. The reason we've got these R3 tires and we didn't upgrade to the R5 is because these tires are actually from the 2021 Tesla Model Y long range we used to own. We just couldn't justify upgrading to the newest one, especially that the R3 tire is still a great one to have. Both of them are, however, 255/45 R19, as you guys can see. If you guys don't know, the Model Y Performance actually has a wider tire in the back, but it's also bigger in diameter a little bit. So during the time we had the winter tires on the car was telling us that it does have issue with the tread depth and we should schedule a service. Cal Tires said that these tires will work perfectly fine on the Performance Model Y, so that is why we put it, and it was just a glitchy error message. We checked the tread depth, it was all good. So that's pretty much the only issues we had with putting long range size Model Y tires on the Performance. Other than that, it's been great. Very happy with the tires. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.